Chapter 4. Understanding Facebook Ads Campaign Type. There are different campaign objectives and different creative types as well. In this chapter, you will find answers to a load of hot questions, including: what are all the different Facebook ad types? What are the specifications for each ad type? What are some great examples of different Facebook ad types? Why it is important to use the right ad type? What is the best Facebook ad type to use? Alright, let us have a look at all the different ad types and find out which ones match with your desired campaign goals. 1. Traffic and leads for your website. One of the most common purposes of Facebook advertising is driving traffic to your website. This can be either to increase your site's overall reach or to send users to a dedicated landing page and have them potentially buy your product, sign up for a newsletter, or participate in some other kind of lead generation. Some of Facebook ads campaign that can be used to generate traffic and leads for your website, such as link click ads, video ads, and boosted page post. 2. Sales and leads for your product or service. If you're running an e-commerce store or have multiple offers you'd like to promote, Facebook allows you to showcase a range of products and services in a single ad. Facebook has also developed ad types that allow users to submit their email or interact with your brand without leaving the Facebook platform. By not leaving the platform, load times are up to 10x faster. This makes for a great user experience and reduces the time, and often, money, required to acquire new leads. For this purpose you can use multi-product, carousel ads, dynamic product ads, DPA, Facebook leads ads, canvas ads, and collection ads. 3. Likes and engagement for your page. Your choice of Facebook ad type should depend on your campaign objective, what you want to get out of the ad campaign. 2 campaign objectives help to increase the number of likes on your Facebook page and/or to increase the reach of the content you post on Facebook. Due to recent Facebook updates, the usual post on your page will only organically reach an average of 2 to 3% of your fan base. Promoting your posts is a great way to be sure that all your fans see your message. You can use following campaign for likes and engagement: page like ads, page post photos ads, page post video ads, and page post text. 4. Mobile and desktop apps install. Since the launch of its mobile application, Facebook has become one of the biggest players in the mobile advertising space. Mobile app install ads present a unique opportunity to bring in new mobile app users on both Android and iOS. If you are trying to promote your mobile app, pay attention to these ad units, they are designed for that specific purpose. For this type of objective, you can use following campaigns: mobile app campaign, desktop app campaign, and Instagram mobile app ads. 5. Visitors for your store or event. Let us close our roundup of Facebook ad types with 2 units well suited to drive visitors to your physical event or store. It is always more complex to measure results for offline promotions, but if used correctly and targeted well, these ads can perform well. For these purposes, you can use event ads campaign, offer claim campaigns, local awareness ads campaign, and messenger ads. Now, as you have seen, Facebook has an extremely broad offering of ad types that meet every need of your business. Whenever possible, we suggest you test different ad formats and see which ones perform better for you. This will deliver the best results at the lowest cost. Let's go to the Chapter 5.